Whether you're an accomplished baker or just starting out with your first kitchen, a baking pan set is a must. You can collect the pieces over time, but a packaged, uniform set is an easy way to get all the essential pans you need that are designed to work together. Most baking sets come with 5 to 10 pans to help you tackle baking and roasting. Some include a rack that can be used for cooling, and if it's heat safe, it can also be used for roasting, and as a trivet. There are many different types of bakeware set to choose from, each with its own features, benefits, and prices. I did a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and put together a list of the best bakeware set from well-known brands to help you make an informed choice. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other details. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. Number 1. Chicago Metallic 6-piece Commercial 2 Non-Stick Bakeware Set. This Chicago Metallic set can't be beat for its performance, ease of use and price. It earned perfect scores in our tests for performance, and was just shy of a perfect score for ease of use, since the pans lack handles. We love the sharp corners and straight sides that produce professional-looking cakes, brownies and bars. The only downside is that it includes just one round cake pan. We also tested the Chicago Metallic Professional Non-Stick 8-piece Bakeware set, which ranked just a smidge below the featured commercial set. In terms of performance, the only difference was that the cookies took a little longer to bake than the manufacturer's instructions. The professional set includes 8 pieces instead of 6, and comes with 2 half-sheet trays, 2 round cake pans and a rack, instead of square baking pan. Number 2. Wilton 9-piece baking set with utensils. These gorgeous navy blue pans are more than just a pretty set. It's beautiful bakeware that's built to last with a durable non-stick coating that's infused with diamonds. The surface makes it safe to use with most metal tools, so it will get you through years of baking cupcakes, cookies and more. The set comes with a large baking sheet, oblong pan with cover, muffin pan, 2 round pans, silicone spoon, spatula and slotted turner. The deep blue hue is nothing like you've seen from other bakeware, so you feel just a little extra special baking with these beauties. And the best part is, once you're done, they can go right into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Buy it for yourself or get one for your favorite baker. This set is perfect for gifting. Specifications. From oven to table, you'll be proud to add these exceptional pieces to your kitchen or give to your favorite baker as a gift. Unique diamond-infused non-stick coating is beautiful and durable for easy cleanup and years of use. Safe to use with most metal tools. Large curved handles for a better grip in and out of the oven. Set includes large baking sheet, oblong pan with cover, muffin pan, 2 round pans, silicone spoon, spatula and slotted turner. Oblong pan. 13x 9x 2 inches. Round pans 9x 1.5 inches. Baking sheet 11.5x 17.2x 1 inches. Dishwasher Safe. Limited 10-year warranty. Number 3. Calphalon 6-piece Premier Countertop Safe Bakeware. Simplify baking and protect countertops with Calphalon Premier Countertop Safe Bakeware 6-piece set. It is uniquely designed with heat-resistant silicone feet that protect your countertop and table from accidental burns or surface damage. For even more convenience, this durable non-stick bakeware is dishwasher safe, oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and protected by Calphalon's lifetime warranty. Specifications. Non-stick bakeware that's safe to place directly on countertops straight out of the oven. Heat-resistant, no-slip silicone feet protect countertops from surface damage and accidental burns, while eliminating the need for trivets or pot holders. High-performance non-stick coating. Bakeware heats evenly for consistent results. Dishwasher safe. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Lifetime warranty. Number 4. Anlon 5-piece Advanced Non-Stick Bakeware Set. Finally, exceptional bakeware for dedicated bakers. Designed to deliver great baking results with both ease and efficiency, Anlon Advanced Non-Stick Bakeware Set provides a fundamental assortment of cake pans and baking sheets that measure up to the high standards of dedicated bakers. Versatile, dishwasher-safe cake pans and cookie sheets are ideal for roasting Brussels sprouts, baking blondies, crafting signature baked goods, and everything in between. Non-stick cooling rack elevates your sweet and savory creations to cool to desired perfection. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, these non-stick pans are crafted from heavy-gauge steel to resist warping, and feature a medium color tone that promotes browning, and helps deliver the even heat distribution necessary to successful baking. Specifications. Radiate heat. Anlon Advanced Non-Stick Bakeware Set brings a boost of bake shop level durability to the kitchen, with rolled rims and warp-resistant heavy-duty steel construction. Exceptional food release. Bake up sweet and savory creations that slide off the bake pans with the rapid food release of superior quality premium non-stick. Sublime baking. Enjoy every flip, tip, and toss with the tactile, comfortable hold of sure-grip bake pan handles. Bakeware set includes 2 9-inch round cake pans, 9-inch square cake pan, 14-inch x 16-inch cookie sheet, 11-inch x 14-inch cooling rack. Easy clean pans. Keep your bakeware looking newer, longer with the easy cleanup of non-stick exteriors. Built for convenience. Non-stick bake pans are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for baking and roasting all your favorite foods. Number 5. Wilton 7-piece Dexter Performance Non-Stick Bakeware Set. If you're looking for beautiful bakeware that works great in the oven and looks even better on your table, Wilton Dexter Performance Non-Stick Bakeware is it. This baking set performs just as good as it looks. Each pan has a non-stick coating, so cleanup is super easy. And its durability and unique wave design makes each pan a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Bake your favorite cookies, brownies, cakes, pies and breads in this versatile baking pan set. Specifications. Set includes 1 oblong, 1 loaf, 1 round, 1 large cookie, 1 medium cookie, 1 square and 1 muffin pan. Unique texture encourages airflow and structural rigidity. Non-stick coating. Color. Light blue. Material. Cold rolled steel with non-stick coating. Pan dimensions. Oblong 9x 13 inches, 22.8x 33 centimeters. Loaf 5x 9 inches, 12.7x 22.8 centimeters. Round 9 inches, 22.8 centimeters. Large cookie sheet 11.5x 17.2 inches, 29.2x 43.6 centimeters. Medium cookie sheet 10.2x 15.2 inches, 25.9x 38. That's all I have to say about it. I make helpful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button. Check out my description if you want to learn more or want to know how much something costs. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.